thanks for coming to the video. My order from Notebook Therapy finally arrived. This is from the Black Friday sale. And that's how they package. There is this is paper. This is so heavy. Like almost like a honeycomb kind of thing. I was a little bit slow. I wasn't able to get the otter friends, but everything was super cute. Arigato. Notebook Therapy. Okay, so we have the Panda. Lemon Love. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. I'm excited for this one too. But this one is going to be my July to December for next year. Yay. I have this one for my piano journal. This is the B5. Let's just okay, let's unbox this. Should we do this one first? I think so. Since I opened this one first. Okay. Ooh. This one is the, I like the linen covers a lot more. My very first journal is one the faux leather, I forgot what's called, pleather maybe. And then this one's different. Oh, this one's nice. So the first one I had, it was like more shiny, and then I was getting dents in it. Like I put it into my luggage, and then the border, not border, but like on the airplane, they like unpacked everything, and when they shoved it back in, they put I guess they didn't care. So like the charger thing, so like say this, right? And then it's very pokey, and then it like indented into my book, and then that was the end. Like there was no way I could unindent it. So actually, I like the ones that are not gilded on the edge, because I do I cut the edges, right, for tabs. Oh, what's that? Oh. In the camera there was like a reflection. I thought it was a bug. So I make tabs, and I feel so guilty when I cut the gilding off. So I try to look for the ones with no gild. Like it's so pretty when it's gilded, but then yeah, it hurt to cut them. Oh, be soft, gentle, yet brave, strong, like a playful panda in the wild. So that's so cute. Ooh, these are the stickers. I wonder if it comes with a, I don't think this one has a bookmark. This is washi stickers. Very cute. I don't know how they pack these. Whenever I put them back in, it never looks as good. It never looks quite as tightly, I don't know, wrapped. So that is the Playful Panda. Oh, maybe I should keep it out. First one. Lemon Love. Let me know if you have ordered any of Notebook Therapy's journals, or if you're planning to. And if you did order from on Black Friday, what'd you get? This one is Lemon Love. Ah, this is the, oh, it's not as like bright yellow as I thought it would be. Like in the pictures, it was like super bright. This is kind of almost like a mustard yellow. Ah, yes. Not gilded. Lemon Love. It's so smooth. Oh, and then it has the, I didn't show you with the Panda. I wonder what color the Panda one is. Oh, the black. This one is gold. Super smooth. In the warmth of an Italian summer, love blossoms like lemons, sweet and tender. Ooh, this is so nice. We have it here. Ooh, cute bookmark. Paper clip, bookmark, paper clip. Let's see. Oh, that's so nice. Dents a little bit, but that's okay. Oh, maybe I can just clip it in here. Okay. Now, lastly, for my piano journal, this is the B5, and this one I don't make tabs, so it's okay if it's gilded. I don't remember what I got. I will in a second once I open it. For my piano journal, I want them all black to match my piano. Oh, this is exciting for me because I don't remember which one I go, ooh, I think this one's called the Moonflower. Oh, okay. This is the fabric I was talking about. It's just stuck. Let go. Okay, I hope this shows up in the camera. But see how this one is smooth. This one, I hope it shows up. Yeah, it has like it's not completely smooth. It has a design, like markings. Not markings, but like, you see how this one's very smooth, and this one has like, texture. Sorry, English. Right, do you see the difference? I like the feeling of this one more than this one. This one feels very like real. You know, like leather has that nice texture, like, you know, this one is very smooth. Pretty sure there are some people who would much prefer this. Kind of like, you know, some people like the ruler straight lines and other people like the freehand straight lines. Yeah. Okay, there we are. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I know, like this one I'm like, oh yeah, I don't like it when it's gilded, and this one, like, oh yeah, it's so beautiful. It's because I know I'm going to cut this one, and this one I know I'm not going to. It'll never look this beautiful again. It's like your car. Right before you buy it, it's like, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. You take it home, it's like it's dinged everywhere. Like, I did not sign up for a car with dings. Oh, look. I don't know what happened there. Can you see that? A little bit, like that scratch. Anyway, oh, it shows up so nice. Wow. Okay, Skeet Moonflower edition. Bullet journal by Notebook Therapy. Journal belongs to Moon. Okay, and then, oh, it has a, where to go? The bookmarks. It's contrasting. Oh, this is so nice. It has a nice maroon color, but this book is not maroon. Okay, but I love it. I love it. I'm starting to really like this color. I used to hate it in high school. I hated it. I thought, you know, like our mascot or our high school color was that color. I was like, why? Okay, I think this paper clip is gonna bend a lot. It looks really tight. Ooh, it's pretty though. Oh, you know, I like how it pokes out a little bit. So, oops, what did I do? So when you close your, you know, it just comes out just a little bit, just enough. It doesn't poke out a lot that it interferes or you're gonna snag it or something, but just enough. It's like almost flush to the cover. Oh, that's so wonderful. And then the back of the paper clip look like that. Only at night do my ideas bloom like the moonflower. I wonder if that's a real flower. It's so pretty. Maybe I should take this up. Okay. So that's my order for the next year. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.